Bentley introduces updated designs and enhancements for the Continental GT and GTC Azure, Flying Spur S, and Speed models. Key updates include a vertical vane grille design, standard 22 inches 10-spoke wheels for Azure models, and luxurious deep-pile overmats made from 100% Wilton weave carpet. Sustainability is also improved with 100% recycled nylon cabin carpets. New optional features include granite gray exterior brightwear for Speed models and a dark tint diamond brushed aluminum finish for fascias and waist rails. A captivating new exterior color, topaz blue, is also introduced. The refreshed Bentley lineup now offers distinct pathways to well-being and luxury with the Azure range, and performance and engaging driving experiences with the Speed and S models. In addition to these remarkable updates, Bentley has focused on incorporating advanced technology and refined craftsmanship throughout the lineup. The interior cabin boasts a diamond-in-diamond stitch pattern, elevating the luxury quotient and underlining the brand's commitment to exceptional detail. This seamless integration of cutting-edge technology, unparalleled comfort, and sophisticated design elements ensures that Bentley remains at the forefront of automotive innovation, continuously delivering a driving experience that surpasses expectations. With the Azure range offering a pathway to well-being and luxury, and the Speed and S models catering to performance enthusiasts, the latest Bentley product portfolio exemplifies the brand's dedication to creating harmonious and unforgettable motoring experiences for all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.